Good day to everyone. Have you ever wondered kung paano ina-handle ng mga parents kapag umiiyak na ang kanilang mga baby? Naiintindihan ba nila kung bakit umiiyak ang kanilang mga anak? Nagiging unproductive dahil napupunta ang atensyon nila kapag umiyak na ang kanilang mga baby. Nag-aalala din sila kung tama nga ba ang pag-handle nila sa kanilang mga anak. So, our team came up with the solution of CrySense, the Google Translator for your crying infants. Using AI, CrySense now offers a feature na nakakapag-intindi and nakakapag-translate kung bakit nga ba umiiyak ang kanilang mga anak. At nakakapagbigay din ng care suggestions kung paano nga ba ang tamang pag-handle sa kanilang mga baby.
When we look at our market opportunity, we are targeting a total addressable market of 50,000 parents with infants right here in Pangasinan. From there, our serviceable addressable market narrows down to 20,000 parents who are actively smartphone and internet capable. Ultimately, for our immediate launch, we are capturing a serviceable obtainable market of 1,000 expected early users and customers to establish our initial foothold.
Our app offers a free and premium plans. Sa free mayroong basic cry detection, care suggestions, and notifications. But if you want a full experience, go for premium. Sa premium, mayroon tayong AI cry analysis, cry history, personalized insights, multiple caregiver accounts, and real-time monitoring. All of this for only 149 pesos per month. Affordable at mas complete na support para sa parents and guardians.
Dako naman po tayo sa ating market strategy. Ang market strategy po na gagamitin natin is Facebook, since most of our target customers uses Facebook as their primary social media. Ang isang strategy naman po natin is the website. Gamit ang Google's AdSense as well as creating appeal by sharing the website sa ating social media, naniniwala po kami na makukuha namin ang atensyon ng aming target customers. Sunod naman po ang ating market competition. So, sa nakikita nyo po dito, meron po tayong Cubo AI, Ulit Baby Care, and Nanit. Ito ang aming competitors. Despite them having their own advantages, our app, CrySense, ay more on AI cry detection as well as we believe that we are most affordable.
Focus ng validation namin ay para malaman kung makakatulong ba talaga ang CrySense sa mga magulang. Based sa survey, maraming parents ang nahihirapang malaman kung bakit nga ba umiiyak kanilang mga baby. At karamihan ay nagsabing useful at practical ang aming solusyon. Pinapakita nito na may malaking potensyal ang CrySense. At gamit ang feedback, mas mapapaganda pa namin ang product para sa future users and investors.
Kung titignan natin ang ating financial forecast, we are projecting a steady revenue growth which will be expected to scale up sharply over the next 5 years.
On the other hand, pagdating naman sa user forecast natin, we are scaling up exponentially. Our goal is to hit a major inflection point para kaabot ang ating 25,000 users by the year 5.
To our dear investors, we are seeking 250 to 500,000 pesos in funding to help us improve our AI cry detection accuracy, develop the mobile application further, or support marketing and user acquisition. For our contacts, you can find our Facebook page named CrySense or through email at crysense123@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.